Welcome to the Free Voice Official. Recently, there have been a lot of rumors and conspiracy theories spreading around due to the unexpected demise of late Bollywood actor Sushant Singh Rajput. We at the Free Voice Official have collected most of the data and information spreading online, and I, Ardra S. Kumar, is going to give you a brief summary on what's really happening so that we, as the audience who are heartbroken due to this unexpected demise, can get a bit closer to the truth. Sushant Singh Rajput passed away on 14th of June 2020. The primary take is that he had committed suicide at his apartment in Bandra. His shocking death has created a mass movement against nepotism and dirty politics in Bollywood industry. Recently, a lot of celebrities had come out and openly spoke about the dark side of the industry. Sushant Singh Rajput worked in a TV show which was the best at its time named Pavitra Rishta and had signed for Hate Story for his debut movie with Balaji but Balaji didn't release him according to Vivek Agnihotri. Sushant Singh Rajput was also the 7th rank holder in DCE entrance exam in 2003 and the National Physics Olympiad winner. He debuted with Kaipoche in 2013. According to sources, all major media houses including Dharma, YRF, T-Series, Sajid Nadiadwala, Salman Khan, etc. banned Sushant Singh Rajput. He signed 7 movies after Chichore but lost it all in a span of months. Sushant was Bhansali's first choice for Ramleela and Bajrao Mastani, but Aditya Chopra refused to give consent as Sushant was cast in YRF production Pani. Ranveer was also under YRF contract but was allowed to work with Bhansali. Due to which, after interrogating Riya Chakraborty for 10 hours, police demanded YRF's contract signed with Sushant. Sushant was cast in Befikre and then unceremoniously removed, and Ranveer got cast. Sushant turned down 12 films for Pani, and in the end, Pani was shelved because YRF backed out. According to Shekhar Kapoor, Sushant cried a lot when he found out about it. Sushant has openly said that he feels like a leftover and that nobody accepts him. He also had stated in an interview that he never gets invited to parties, and he publicly said to a fan that he has no godfather in the industry, and if his fans do not support him, he will be thrown out of the industry. Sushant Singh is a self-made superstar who has come from nothing and was working so hard to achieve everything. But he was always treated like a leftover. And that has really hurt him due to various sources. Vijay Shekhar Gupta is making a film on Sushant Singh Rajput titled Suicide or Murder, A Star Was Lost. It is alleged that Mahesh Bhatt asked Sushant Singh Rajput's girlfriend Riya Chakraborty to stay away from Sushant. Mahesh Bhatt also had said that Sushant Singh will sooner or later commit suicide and he is not a sane person to be around. There are also a lot of confusions and questions regarding Sushant Singh Rajput's suicide. The day before Sushant Singh Rajput committed suicide, all the CCTV footages in his apartment were erased. There is no proof of suicide on his fingerprints. The duplicate key is missing. The only fingerprint on the hanging object is index thumb and the pinky finger of the left hand, whereas Sushant Singh Rajput is a right-handed person, which totally doesn't make sense, and that is the reason why people really believe that it was a murder, not a suicide. Sudhir Kumar Ocha, an advocate from Bihar, filed a case against 8 people, including Salman Khan, Karan Johar, and Ekta Kapoor. Kangana Ranaut had recently came out and spoke openly about the demise of Sushant Singh Rajput and the ugliness of the glamour. Recently, Kangana Ranaut had been vocal about the ugliness of the glamour industry, and she had described Sushant Singh Rajput's demise as a murder which was caused due to the systematic dismantling of a fragile mind. Kangana Ranaut openly said and pinpointed out all the interviews in where Karan Johar, Alia Bhatt, And a lot of other famous star kids and celebrities were making fun of Sushant Singh Rajput. And Kangana Ranaut also said that Bollywood is an industry who does not acknowledge your work if you do not belong to a star family. Kangana Ranaut also stated that Sushant Singh Rajput was a smart person, which we all already know, but he was systematically tortured and mentally disabled, which made him take such a step, and this is not considered suicide, it's considered as murder. Remembering Sushant Singh Rajput, Kamal Jain said that Sushant was not a depressed person. He was a really positive and fun loving person, and I have known him for 9 years. Swastika, who is Sushant Singh Rajput's co actor, said that no more fake RIPs because this is all just an act. Sonu Nigam came out and said that soon you are going to hear suicides on music industry because the politics here is unbelievable. The only true person who came about and said the truest thing and this correct thing is Saif Ali Khan, who said that this is a brutal industry and no one really cares, which is absolutely right. And using someone's death as a publicity stunt to gain more public appeal and in order to appear as a person who is so sympathetic is pathetic. Sushant Singh, who trained Digvijay Deshmukh in Kaipoche, said that he had made a promise to Sushant that he'll meet him only when he becomes successful in the field of cricket and he is going to play an IPL in 2020, whereas Sushant is no more alive to see him. A Cambridge PhD scholar met Sushant and said that she thought he was a scholar from France. She thought he was a physicist because he was so intelligent, and also the ways in which he described quantum theory in physics was mesmerizing. Bhumi Padnekar and Ayushmann Khurrana were heartbroken and had wrote their heart out in their latest Twitter posts. Keeping all the facts and figures aside, we have lost a beautiful person who was not only beautiful on the outside but also on the inside. Someone who has left his all to follow his passion. Someone who just wanted to become an actor and thrived hard in this industry, and he was just lost. He was lost, he was murdered, or he committed suicide. But why did it all happen? It all happened due to the dirty politics of the Bollywood industry. And to a fact, we as an audience are also at fault here because we are the ones who decide at the end which film is a flop or which film is a hit. This is an eye opener for the entire society that all that glitters is not gold, and it's time for us to open our minds, our hearts, especially our eyes, and see what's really going around us so that there are no more Sushants in our society. He was a person who watched the stars, who studied the stars, who became a star, and now he became another star which we can only see from far away. We at the Free Voice Official hope that Sushant Singh Rajput gets justice and that this industry, which is full of cunning animals which tear people apart, pay. Thank you so much.